everybody.
Welcome to the couple that
Bakes together.
stays together. On this week's second episode, we will be
baking
a clean baking recipe I found on Instagram, as well as fulfilling the conjoined twin challenge.
Yeah.
Really hot in this actually.
It's
Really heating up. Thank you. So we will be baking some sort of pumpkin pie treat thing because it's October and Halloween. Pure pumpkin, unsweetened.
100% uncut.
Yeah.
This is dark chocolate.
Yeah,
Just
sweetened
like-
because
just
all
like
I
me.
have. Yeah.
Cinnamon
Cinnamon.
and organic coconut palm sugar, which I could probably just eat with a spoon.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's brown sugar basically. And dose eggs.
And 2 eggs.
Yeah, not gonna drop those. This lovely bowl is oats that are still blended.
Ground oats.
Yeah, grounded oats.
And 2 spoons.
2 spoons.
And this thing.
Measuring cup. Cutting board. Pan.
Glass pan,
Okay,
that is.
we're ready. Okay, so all the steps in this recipe are basically take all these ingredients and throw them in a bowl and mix it. It's
Nice.
nice and easy. So first we have to open this can of pumpkin with a can opener, which is correct to take out.
It's a good thing to note that I'm left-handed and she's right-handed.
Yeah, so
we kind of have an unfair advantage.
Yeah,
Because
well,
we're
basically the best couple ever. We make one big black blob. Okay, so let's do this. So you put,
Oh wait.
get that in on the
How is
camera.
this supposed to work with like a normal person?
So you click it on now. Oh, okay, you have to hold
Wait,
this part.
is this left-handed?
Maybe, okay. My mom's left-handed. Now click it.
Yeah.
There we go. So far so good. There's a whole Simpsons episode about how Ned Flanders is left-handed and like, no one else is, so he opens his own like left-handed store and it's like really successful. Here, I'll speed it up like that, and then you take the spoon
I'll
out.
take that out.
And then it's not gonna taste good.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
It's literally
Oh, it tastes like
smell it.
nothing.
That's what raw pumpkin smells like and tastes like. It's gross. Okay, now just plop that in there. You know, I thought this like conjoined twin challenge thing was really hard, but because we're both left-handed and right-handed,
It makes it a lot
we're doing
easier.
really well. It's not fair.
It's not fair. We'll make it harder. I'll close my eyes.
I should have used my left hand. You should have used your right hand.
Shit. I really want to use my right hand, then I realize you're my right
Yeah,
hand.
you can. Yeah, exactly. We're gonna use your right hand before I'll do it for you.
And then you're okay.
Dump pumpkin pie filling
Listen
in
to
the
that.
bowl. Okay, that sounds disgusting. Okay. Baking powder. Take off the lid bulbs. Half teaspoon. There we go. And then
Nice.
This is easy as pumpkin
Oh,
pie.
half teaspoon.
Half
Just
teaspoon.
like that?
Yeah. Dump that in. 2/3 cup coconut sugar.
Yeah. 2/3. What? How many?
2/3 cup. Nice. It is good. Brown sugar. And how as long as yours. Do you break eggs with your left hand?
Yeah.
Okay.
But
With one hand though?
I can't.
What do you mean?
I can't do it with like one hand. I can't.
Yeah, I can't either. I'm not.
Uh-oh.
This is where we have to actually
Okay, wait.
teamwork it out. Okay, like, oh nice. So don't get any cracks in it. Oh, nice.
Nice.
Wow, this is flawless. Oh, but now my hand has egg yolk on it.
Oh no, salmonella.
That's not what I meant.
Don't
2
worry,
eggs.
I have this hand.
Half teaspoons of dough. There you go. What kind of person are we? Can you open this thing up?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. There we go. So next secret ingredient I forgot to mention is nutmeg. Spoon in there, if possible. It's not half a teaspoon.
What?
Here, maybe a little. No, more.
We said half teaspoon.
Okay, that's good.
half.
Yeah. Should we use the entire bar, I guess?
Yeah.
Okay, basically.
Yeah. Ugh.
Look, I,
Cut my finger off.
look, I really want to use my other hand for it because you're not
This one.
really helping. No, my other.
How am I supposed to hold it?
It's not the same. It's not the same feeling,
Oh, yeah,
you know.
yeah,
Mixing it up. Mixing it up.
Let's see a yolk there. You didn't break
Here.
the yolk yet.
I'm giving you the pleasure of mixing that yolk. This recipe is clean because it only
I
has
think it's chocolate in
like
it.
okay, it's clean other than dark chocolate because it's all like wholesome, clean ingredients.
It has the finest
Yeah.
pumpkin. Does it need more sugar? You didn't seem
I feel like it does need more sugar.
Nah.
I'm just following the recipe. Here, you give it a taste. What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah.
Bonus sugar.
I don't usually do this, okay? Usually I use honey and it doesn't need more
You
sugar.
just eat sugar.
I don't just go around like pouring sugar into things. But it would explain a lot. Okay, now we have to oil up this thing with coconut oil. Help me open it up. Thank you. Obviously, are you smiling at the camera? What are you doing? It's really heavy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll pour quickly.
I'm scared. I got it.
Okay. Good poo. Okay, what's gonna work?
Yup. That's right.
Maybe this is a,
Heard it here first.
maybe this is what our poo will look like after we eat it. Oh, I'm gonna break my fingers. This is kind of hard.
Okay.
You know I got arthritic fingers. They're double jointed. Now mash it up, mash it up. Pre-oven. This is our pumpkin pie moist cake muffin thing. Okay, we won't be sharing it with my family.
Oh god.
40 minutes later. 40 minutes, we'll get back to you.
Bye. Bye.
What did you just say? Bup.
And now we're here.
40 minutes later, roughly.
Is it hot?
Yeah, so you just leave.
I can't.
Is there mitt?
I can't.
Pull it. With your hand, like I did.
But my hands are faster than me.
As you can see, it's turned into a dark golden brown. We're gonna do one of those romantic like wedding cake cutting things.
Okay. This knife's bigger.
A little bit awkward for my elbow.
Is it on? Okay, go like this.
Oh, there goes the top of it. I'll just make muffin top.
Whoa.
Enough of that. It's still pretty hot, so it's kind of hard to like show you guys a nice piece. It's really mushy inside, which is the point because it's pumpkin pie filling, so it's supposed to be like really mushy,
Oh, but without a crust.
but without a crust. Yeah, we're supposed to feed it to each other now, but wow, it's hot. Even the knife is hot,
Is it?
but it's a bit hot.
Ow. Ah. Ah.
Okay, you take this piece.
It's fucking hot.
Let's blow on it, and take that piece.
Feels like raisins. 1, 2, burn your mouth.
Yay! How did it go for me?
Oh, good.
So, success. I'm really glad because like half the time my baking doesn't work out. But it was really good.
Very good.
Well, we'll put the recipe up if you're interested.
Alright. My throat is
Okay.
on fire.
Bye.
Bye.